Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, this is Fembam NY and thank you guys for joining me. And for today's video, I will be making a short video and I will show you guys how to make this coil balloon made of 260Q and without glue or without tape. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can use this for additional background on your bouquet, or even you can transform this to a lollipop. Just put like 260Q here as a holder, and you can wrap this with plastic. Okay, and you can add this for additional background on your garland or kids theme. Okay guys, so now if you want to know how to make this, please stick around and I will show you how. So with that said, we'll be using 260Q. So first we will inflate your 260Q using your palm, and I will stretch this first. Okay, I will pump this all the way until I leave like about 3 fingers on the tip. Tie it like that, and then I noticed, or I found out, that it's easier if you tie this on the very tip, make a knot. Just like that, guys. So now put this on the side. You will tie this right here and tie it on the very end of your balloon, the tip. So leaving the gap right there. Okay, so you'll put it like that, hold, and then put this up. Just go like that. Alright, it's as easy like that at the back, and this is the front side. Now you have your coil balloon. Just like this. So at the back. So if you have a bouquet, especially for guys, is limited decoration, so you can use this as a background. Okay, or you can use this, transform this into a lollipop, so you can have a 260Q in here, and then wrap this with plastic, and then decorate it with something is additional for your gift. There you go. Alright, and there you go guys, this is our coil balloon made of 260Q. I hope you learned something from this video. It's a short video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel grow. And thank you guys for joining me and for watching this little episode that we have today, little video. And guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you guys for watching. This is Fembam NY. We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.